In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Nomad to Wise. The process is very simple, so follow along. To make the transfer, you just need to take your Wise account details and enter them into the transfer section of the Nomad app. Open the Nomad app and tap Transfer Money. You'll see a few options: to another Nomad account, to a Neti investment account, to a US bank, or to a bank in Brazil. These last two options appear, but we won't use them here. In this tutorial, we'll assume you want to send money to another US bank, in this case, Wise. If you want to send money to someone in Brazil, there is another option that works better for that, but we won't cover it now. When you choose another US bank, the app will ask for the wire routing number. You can find this number in the Wise app. Open the Wise app and select your USD account. The routing number appears in two places: right below your balance, next to the bank icon, under More, Draw, Statements, Account Details. Copy the routing number and go back to the Nomad app. Paste the number, continue, and then fill in the bank name, account number, and account type. All this information is available in your Wise account. After that, confirm the transfer amount. Keep in mind that Nomad charges a fixed fee of $10 to send money to other US banks. Because it's a fixed fee, it's usually better to transfer larger amounts to reduce the fee percentage. Finally, tap Continue and your transfer will be completed.